Good afternoon, everyone. All sit in a prayerful posture. Just 1 minute left. Aima, sit in a prayerful posture, beta. I want every child to sit in a prayerful posture. We'll begin the day with a prayer. We'll begin the day with a prayer. All sit in a prayerful posture. Vidhi Kajuria, sit in one place, beta. Keep hands on your lap and get ready for the prayer. I want every child to sit in a prayerful posture. We'll begin the day with the prayer. Very good. All attentive in the class. Very nice. Okay, we'll begin the day with the prayer. All sit in a prayerful posture. Tanya Chaudhary, sit properly, beta, sit straight. Dear God, we praise and thank you for the beautiful morning you have given us. Keep us safe from all harm and danger. Everybody has to sit in a prayerful posture, beta. Sonia, what are you doing? Sit in one place, faster. Yes. Dear God, we praise and thank you for the beautiful morning you have given us. Keep us safe from all harm and danger. Help us to understand what is taught today. Keep your loving hand on each one of us. Now all will say the universal prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Now, my dear students, okay, 1 minute. Okay, I will share my screen with you. One minute. Give me chance. Just a minute so that I can adjust all the things. Okay. We'll start with the next topic now today. Okay. Bani Kaur, unmute yourself. Bani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 minute, beta. Give me time to unmute other participants also. Today, Bhumika Baloria is not there. Okay. Supriya, unmute yourself. Supriya, unmute yourself. Okay. Sukanya, unmute yourself. Sukanya Kotwal, unmute yourself. Okay. Then, 1 minute. Rohani Verma, unmute yourself. Rohani Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
First participant, say your name. First
Ma'am,
participant.
Bani.
Yes, Bani. Can you tell me from, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the first topic given on the screen there?
Natural magnets.
So can you tell me natural magnet definition?
A natural magnet is a magnet that occurs naturally in nature. All natural magnets are permanent magnets, meaning they will never lose their magnetic power.
Okay, so natural magnets are the magnets which we are getting naturally. In the story I have told you about the boy manganese. From that only the magnetite name was discovered, because he was the shepherd and he has gone there to graze the animals, and by chance his stick got stuck to that rock, which was like a magnet, and that stick was having a iron piece in front of it. Good, Bani. Next participant, Kanya.
Ma'am, hi. Ma'am,
Okay, Supriya. Okay, Supriya, beta. Okay. Now read see, in the natural magnet, there is one definition written there. The strongest natural magnet material is what? Say that sentence. Second paragraph. The strongest natural magnet.
Natural magnets can be found in sandy deposits in various parts of the world. Strongest natural magnet material is lodestone, also called magnetite.
Magnetite. What is the word? Magnetite.
Magnetite.
Say the spelling of magnetite. बच्चे magnetite का spelling बोलो. Supriya, say the spelling of magnetite.
M-A-G-N-E-T-I-T-E.
Yes. So that example which they have given about the natural magnet, we call it the natural magnet known as lodestone, or we call it magnetite. And what is the color of that magnet? See the second here, this line here after that magnetite. What is the color?
This mineral is black in color and very shiny when polished.
Okay,
the
fine.
lodestone was actually.
Okay, read this line and then stop. The lodestone. Read this line.
Lodestone was actually used in very first compasses ever made, because natural magnets are permanent magnets. If lodestone is allowed to freely spin, its north pole will always align itself with the Earth's geographic north pole.
Okay, stop till here, bache. Stop till here. So natural magnet, yesterday all have understood, and today again we have revised what are natural magnets, about the story of the shepherd, and what is the other name, lodestone or magnetite, what is the color, and we have done when it is towards the north, then how it will be in the Earth's geographical pole. So this is over. After Sukanya, I think so Ruhani Verma is there.
No, ma'am, Sukanya.
Okay, Sukanya, ठीक है. ठीक है. Sukanya, artificial magnet. Please read the first paragraph. What are artificial magnets?
When magnets are made by people, they are called artificial magnets. It is these magnets that are on your refrigerator door, and they have extra strong magnetic power, like those really tiny, super strong
Tiny,
magnets.
bache, not teeny, tiny. Sukanya, say the word tiny.
Tiny.
Yes.
Tiny, super strong magnets that you can buy from toy or science stores.
Okay, stores. Yes. So artificial magnets are the magnets which are not made naturally. They are made with the help of the people. The people, those are good in making the magnets. So that magnets are called artificial magnets. When you close the door of your refrigerator, how it gets closed? It is also the role of the magnet there. So they have strong magnetic power and they're very small. Even the toys also which you buy, they all have the magnetic property. Fine. Ruhani Verma, are you there? Or she has muted herself? 1 minute. Ruhani has muted. Ruhani Verma, unmute yourself. I've given you permission.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 minute. Rujla, unmute yourself. Rujla, I've given you permission. And Arohi Jamwal. Rujla is not unmuting. Arohi Jamwal. Yes, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first Ruhani and then Arohi. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ruhani, start. There are two types of.
There are. Ma'am.
बोलो ना बच्चे, नहीं दिखाई दे रहा क्या?
No, ma'am.
Artificial magnet की third line. New paragraph. There are two types of.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am. There are two types of artificial magnet, temporary and permanent magnet. Temporary magnets are magnets that are not always magnetic, but their magnetism can be turned on at will. Permanent magnets are those magnets whose magnetic strength never fades.
Okay, stop till here, bacha. Stop till here. So So in artificial magnets, we are having two types of magnets. One is temporary magnet, another one is permanent magnet. Temporary magnet means for some time it will remain magnet, and after that it will stop its magnetism. But the permanent magnet always will remain magnet only whenever we are using it. So on page number 140, we are able to see the artificial magnet shapes are given. Okay, Arohi, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Others all
Yes,
mute
ma'am.
yourself, bache. I want only Arohi to unmute. Others all mute because disturbance is coming. Okay, Arohi. On page number
Yes,
41,
ma'am.
40 of your book, can you see the diagrams of the various magnets? Are you having your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Ji. So 140 page right side. Bar
Yes,
magnet,
ma'am.
shapes of magnet are made there, bete. 140
Yes,
page.
ma'am.
To say the first
Yes,
shape of
ma'am.
the magnet, what is written there below the diagram?
Ma'am, first.
Yes.
Um,
Magnet.
bar magnet.
Second one. Next.
Horseshoe magnet.
Yes, horseshoe magnet. Horse का जो shoe होता है ना उसकी shape ऐसी होती है. So they have given the name of that magnet horseshoe. Horse के shoe का नहीं बना but the shape is like that. Okay. Then the third
Okay,
one
ma'am.
is Arohi.
U-shaped magnet.
Yes, very good. And the fourth one down below the bar magnet.
Cylindrical magnet.
Can you say the spelling of cylindrical?
Cylindrical.
Yes, cylindrical magnet. And one more is there. Two more are there. What is the other one?
Yes, ma'am. Compass magnet.
Because the needle is having that role na, to play. So that's why that compass is also behaving like a magnet. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And the last is
Next one is
magnet needle.
magnetic. What is the last one? Magnetic.
Magnetic needle.
Okay, fine, bache. Now mute yourself. Udita, unmute
Okay, ma'am.
yourself. Udita, unmute yourself. Fast, bache. When I'm giving you permission, you have to do it at once. Gungun, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Where Udita has gone? I don't know. Argun, unmute yourself. They are not unmuting. Then what to do? Okay, Vidhi Khajuria, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Advita, unmute yourself. Advita, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Imrat, unmute yourself. Those who got chance yesterday, today I'm not giving them chance. Okay, I'm giving chance to other girls who did not get chance, na? That's why.
Ma'am, tomorrow I got chance.
Yesterday, beta, yesterday. Okay.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay, fine. Aima, you got the
Ma'am?
unmute yourself. You got the chance. Aima.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Bhumika Baloria has come. Bhumika, unmute yourself. Bhumika Baloria.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I've unmuted many participants. Okay. The first participant, say your name. The first
Ma'am,
participant.
Gungun. Mute करने के
Okay. Now others' voice should not come to me. I will mute all the participants. Perfect silence I want. Somebody speaking. I will get the name and I will mute that girl. Nobody will talk.
Ma'am, Vidhi.
Vidhi, tell your parents not to speak.
अभी से एक ही पड़ेगी ना कहाँ से पढ़ना
Papa.
आता है ना अभी से लड़की बोलेगी ना
Who is speaking again? Vidhi Khajuria. Mute yourself, bache. You are speaking. Okay, the first participant. Who is the first participant?
Ma'am, Gungun.
Okay, Gungun. Can you tell me
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
difference between the temporary magnet and the permanent magnet? See the artificial magnet paragraph. You will get the definition in that.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are two types of artificial magnets, temporary and permanent. Temporary magnets are magnets that aren't always magnetic, but their magnetism can be turned on at will.
Yes. Can you tell me
Permanent
the meaning?
magnets.
1 minute, Gungun. बच्चे sentence का meaning बता सकते हो? What is the meaning of this sentence?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, temporary magnets have their magnetic power, but they will, ma'am, they are not always like magnetic.
Very good, very good. Now permanent magnets.
Permanent magnets are those magnets whose magnetic strength never fades.
Yes.
Ma'am, permanent magnets are those like they never get their magnetic power loss.
Very good, Gungun. Nicely you have explained. Very good. Now who is the next participant after that?
Ma'am,
Tell your parents. Aima,
Ma'am,
okay,
Aima.
Aima. Fine, Aima. Okay. Just
permanent
1 minute, bache. 1 minute. I will stop sharing my screen. Okay, you say permanent now, permanent. Now you understood what is the difference between temporary magnet and permanent magnet?
yes ma'am.
Okay, so can you say the names of from 140 page the different types of artificial magnets?
Okay ma'am. Ma'am, artificial magnet.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, bar magnet,
Yes, very good.
horseshoe magnet,
Yes,
U-shaped magnet,
yes,
cylindrical magnet, compass,
yes.
and magnetic needle.
Compass magnet and magnetic needle. Yes, all these are artificial magnets which are made by human
Yes,
beings.
ma'am.
Very good, bache. Now on page number 146, Aima, read the second question,
Yes,
long
ma'am.
answer. What is the second question,
Yes,
long
ma'am.
answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhumika Gloria, wait a minute, bache. I will unmute you. Wait, no problem. Aima, page number 146.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Third part, answer the following question in detail. Second question.
Yes, ma'am. What are artificial magnets?
Ah. Okay, and what is the other answer question with that? Give examples with diagram.
Ma'am, we give examples with diagrams.
Huh. So page number 140, you are getting the answer. Below
Yes,
the
ma'am.
lodestone. Below
Yes,
the
ma'am.
lodestone.
Lodestone. Yes, ma'am. The magnets prepared by man using some artificial methods are called artificial magnets.
Yes. Such magnets can be used at any time
Yes,
and
ma'am.
at any place. Whole paragraph is there,
Any
bache.
place. The magnetic strength of artificial magnets is much stronger than those of the natural magnets.
Yes, good. Very good. Okay, Aima, thank you.
Excuse me,
Now
ma'am.
next
We have to
participant.
draw the diagrams of bar magnets, horseshoe magnets.
Yes, all the diagrams. I will send you the answer, beta. I will send you the answer. Don't take tension.
Okay, ma'am.
I will send you the answer. Now I want another participant after Aima. Who is there? After Aima, who is there, bache? Didi, are you there?
Ma'am.
Nimrat. Okay, Nimrat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You tell me the spelling of cylindrical magnet. I will write it here.
Okay, ma'am. SY
Oh, bache, C से होता है cylindrical.
CY
Okay. CY L
LI
N. बोलो ना बेटा.
NDRICAL.
Cylindrical. And what is the other word given with that?
Magnet.
Yes, cylindrical magnet. Very good. Okay, fine. Okay. So, the question which is given on page number 146, what are artificial magnet? The definition is given. The magnet which is made by man is known as artificial magnet. And that magnet can be used at any time and at any place. And after that, you have to give examples with diagram. Diagram is also given and example is also given. Names. Bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, U-shaped magnet, cylindrical magnet, compass magnet, needle, magnetic needle. All this you have to write. Okay. Who is this participant? Say your name, bache, again. Who is speaking?
Ma'am, Nimrit.
Nimrat, page number 140.
Yes, ma'am.
Poles of magnet is given one point, one paragraph there. Poles of magnet.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, read that first sentence. What is given in the first sentence?
The strength of a magnet is not uniformly distributed over the surface of a magnet.
Yes. Okay, wait now. The other participant, Vidhi Khajuria, unmute yourself. Vidhi Khajuria,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute
Yes, ma'am.
yourself. Unmute. You read from here. The ends of magnet. Poles of magnet. Poles of magnet. Second line towards the corner. The ends of the magnet.
Yes, ma'am. The end of the magnet that always directs towards north
कहाँ से
is
पढ़ रहे हो
called
बच्चे?
north.
Poles of magnet की second line. The ends of the magnet having more magnetic strength.
Yes, ma'am. The
हाँ,
ends of magnet have more magnetic strength and are called magnetic poles.
Okay. Now which is having more magnetic strength? More. 1 minute. More magnetic. 1 minute. G-N-E-T-I-C. More magnetic. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H. More magnetic strength. When they are having more magnetic strength, that means what it is? It is having, they are called magnetic poles. What they are called?
Magnetic poles.
M-A-G-N-E-T-I-C. Magnetic P-O-L-E-S. Poles. Okay, fine. Thank you, beta. Now who's the other participant? Whom I have
Thank you, ma'am.
unmuted? कौन है बच्चे? इसको मैंने unmute करना है.
Ma'am, Bhumika Biloria.
Bhumika Biloria is muted, I think. So 1 minute. B H yes. Okay, Bhumika, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Bhumika,
ma'am.
okay, fine. So you got the definition of the magnetic poles. The ends of the magnet, which are having more magnetic
Yes,
strength,
ma'am.
are called magnetic poles. Now, after
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
they have given about the freely suspended magnet. Read that line.
Ma'am, where?
बच्चे, page number 140. Poles of magnet, right side.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth line, a freely suspended magnet.
Yes, ma'am. A freely suspended magnet always rests in the north-south direction. The end of the magnet that always directs towards north is called North Pole, and the other end that directs toward the South Pole is called South Pole.
Yes, good. So what they are saying, magnet rests in north-south direction. So I've written on the screen also so that you are able to understand direction. 1 minute. Direction. Okay. So magnet always rests in north-south direction. So poles of magnet means they are having the corners, and on the corners only the more magnetic power is there. And whenever we are moving the magnet, magnets always rest in north-south direction. And the north side is known as the North Pole, and the south side is known as the South Pole. Okay, so you are able to see one question on page number 146. Third question, write a note on poles of magnet. So this
Yes, ma'am.
definitely this paragraph you have to write. So I will send you the answer today, and I want each child to write in the notebook. We can tell you anytime to bring the notebook in the school. So don't be lazy, beta. आप सबको smart होना है. Okay, I want smart students in my class. Okay, Chanpreet, unmute yourself. Chanpreet, she comes very. Sometime only she's coming. Every
Yes.
time she's not
Yes,
coming.
ma'am.
Beta, every time you are not
Ma'am.
attending the class, what happened?
No.
Okay, no problem. If you don't want to give the reason, चलो कोई बात नहीं. सुनो मैम की बात अब. आपने भी
Excuse me, ma'am.
मैम ने पढ़ाया ना. Do you know the definition of artificial magnet? अभी हमने पढ़ी बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ मुझे क्या definition artificial magnet की?
Ma'am, the magnets prepared by man using some artificial methods are called artificial magnets.
Very
Such
good.
magnets can be used at any time and at any place.
Very good, very good. And one more line is written there. What is that line?
The magnet strength of artificial magnets is much stronger than those of the natural magnets.
Very good. So what it tell us that artificial magnets are made by human beings, and that magnets can be used, and we can use it at any time, any place, and that magnetic strength of artificial magnet is much stronger than the natural magnet.
Than those of the natural
Yes,
magnets.
so many shapes they have given us. So that
Yes,
shapes are
ma'am.
very important and they play very important role in the life of all living beings. Very good. Udita, unmute yourself. Udita Mahajan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. So, did you understand about the magnetic poles? What are magnetic poles?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the definition of magnetic poles? Page number 140, right side. Poles of magnet, second line. I'm telling you the answer also where it is. Fast, fast, bache. Time is running.
Ma'am, the magnets.
Magnet. Bache,
The
right
ends
side.
of magnets are called magnetic poles. There are two types of poles, North Pole
बच्चे
and
यहाँ से
South
नहीं
Pole.
है. No. Poles of magnet, second line towards the corner. The ends of magnet have more magnetic strength.
Ma'am, wait.
Poles of magnet, page
The-
number 140. Did you get poles of magnet?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Second, बच्चे उसकी second
The
line.
ends of magnets have more magnetic strength are called magnetic poles.
Yes, this answer is on the screen also, on the whiteboard. Okay, Anya, unmute yourself. Anya, unmute yourself, beta, faster. Yes, Ashley, unmute yourself. Ashley.
Ma'am.
Okay. Anya, can you tell me?
Yes,
If we have suspended freely the magnet, in which position it rests? When we are
ma'am, your voice is
I am saying when
loudly.
we are suspending the magnet freely or moving magnet is kept in rest position, where it will rest, in which direction? See the
Ma'am,
screen.
north-south direction.
Very good, very good, very good. And when it is resting towards the north, what is the name of that pole?
Ma'am, North Pole.
And when it is directing towards the south, what it is called?
Ma'am, South Pole.
Very good, very good. Okay, Anya, thank you. Ashley, can you give me the definition
Yes, ma'am.
of magnets? Natural
Ma'am,
magnets.
can you repeat?
Natural magnets.
Ma'am, natural magnets are that are occurring naturally in the nature.
Very good. Can you give me one example? Which story we have done yesterday?
Ma'am, the example, ma'am, magnetite or lodestone.
Very good, very good. Good girl. That means you are studying whatever is taught every day. Now, if you will study, then you will have no problem. Harpriya, unmute yourself. Harpriya Segal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Okay. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. By speaking, your voice should not come to me. Can you tell me from on page number 139, what is the definition of magnetic substances? 139 page, right side. Second paragraph.
The substances which are attracted by a magnet are called magnetic substances.
Substances. Very good. And the next paragraph, you're getting the definition of non-magnetic substances. So what is the definition of non-magnetic substances?
The substances which are not attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic substances.
Very good. Kashvi, this one is Kashvi. Okay. Kashvi, unmute yourself. Kashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
give me the example of magnetic substances. It is given there in the book.
Magnetic substances.
Yes. Example. On
Ma'am,
page
magnetic.
139, right side.
Okay, ma'am.
What is a magnet? Second paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Got the answer?
Ma'am, I'm finding.
Okay. Page number 139. What is the
Yes,
magnet?
ma'am.
Right side. Second paragraph. Third line.
Yes, ma'am.
Iron.
The substances which are attracted by magnets are called magnet substances. Iron, nickel, and
Nickel,
cobalt
nickel.
are
But it is nickel.
nickel.
Cobalt
Cobalt are attached by a magnet.
are attracted. What is the
Ma'am,
word?
I can't got.
Attracted. Okay,
Are
beta.
attracted. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. So, our example of magnet is when we are attracting the objects, you know, they are attracting by the magnet. Fine. So, I will give permission to all the students to ask me one thing. What is that? If you have any doubt, I am unmuting everyone. Anyone is having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, okay, 1
Excuse
minute.
me, ma'am.
The question we have marked.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for the class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Why all are saying excuse me, ma'am, bache? Okay, Ayman and Saman Fatima, they are curious to 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute. Ayman and Saman Fatima, unmute yourself. Unmute Ayman and Saman. Faster, bache, I've given you permission. Jaldi, jaldi. I will send you all the answers and all the questions. There is no need of asking me where is the question, where is the answer. Everything will be sent you today. And you have to note each and everything in your notebook. So there is no confusion, beta. Okay, say bye to ma'am. Everyone will say bye to ma'am. Okay. And those who did not get chance, they will get chance next time. Okay, bye to all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Down.
Bye. God bless you all.
Bye, ma'am.